Lordship, this is the first bail application on behalf of Amit Golu, Amit alias Golu,
जी
who's in jail since 8/1/2017
जी
for offences under section 376D. Lordship,
जी
376D.
जी
अभियोजन सारांश इस प्रकार है कि अभियुक्ति PW2 ग्राम महुआना थाना सिवनी मालवा जिला होशंगाबाद से मजदूरी करने के लिए बाबरी महागांव आती रहती है। दिनांक 6/1/2017 को वह प्रदीप रघुवंशी PW1 के साथ बकरा खरीदने महागावा लखनलाल PW4 के यहाँ आई थी और बकरा खरीदने के बाद शाम को 4 बजे प्रदीप रघुवंशी PW1 के साथ वापस अपने गांव लौट रही थी। रास्ते में उनकी मोटरसाइकिल खराब हो गई थी, जिसे धक्का देकर वे बाबरी नावघाट की ओर ले जा रहे थे। बाबरी गांव के किनारे की दुकान के पास आरोपीगण मोनू, अमित और गोलू और राजकुमार उर्फ लल्लू बैठे हुए थे, जिनसे अभियुक्ति परिचित थी। अभियुक्ति PW2 ने आरोपी मोनू से मोटरसाइकिल सुधारने को बोला, तो आरोपी मोनू ने कहा कि मोटरसाइकिल खराब है, ठीक नहीं हो सकती, रात यहीं रुक जाओ। अभियुक्ति PW2 द्वारा रात रुकने से मना कर दिया। वहीं नावघाट पर आग ताप रहे थे, तभी एक ट्रैक्टर ट्रॉली में आरोपीगण मोनू, अमित उर्फ गोलू एवं राजकुमार उर्फ लल्लू आए और प्रदीप रघुवंशी को गाली गलौज कर मारना शुरू कर दिया और उसे खींचकर दूर ले गए।
अमित का लगाया ना मैडम आपने?
यस
अमित का तो डीएनए मैच है।
DNA match किया है lordship, but the trial court has held that as far as DNA is concerned, it will not have any value for other accused person. इन्होंने पहले बार जो बेल कराई थी on this count only, that one of the allegation against all three persons is same. And as far as
नहीं, राजकुमार का तो मिला नहीं है डीएनए,
ऊपर नहीं मिला,
तो दो लोगों का मिला है, अमित और गोलू का मिला है।
अमित बस का मिला है,
हैं?
हाँ,
प्रेजेंट अपने का
allegation तीनों पे एक से है lordship.
हाँ, तो अमित का तो मिला है ना, तो केस सेम कैसे हो जाएगा, थोड़ा समझाइएगा।
Lordship.
आपने कहा कि दे आर एट पार
नहीं,
ऑल द
allegation is same.
अरे एलिगेशन नहीं, नाउ वी आर आस्किंग यू स्पेसिफिक क्वेरी
Yes,
that when DNA qua Amit alias Golu is positive,
lordship.
whereas it is negative qua to other accused persons Monu and Lallu,
Lordship.
then how there can be a parity between the three?
I was only saying regarding the allegations.
We are not concerned with the
Yes.
allegation. We are asking you now a direct question.
Yes.
Please give us reply to that.
Yes, Lordship. Paragraph number 53, Lordship.
53, yes.
Paragraph number 53, last 4 lines. अभियुक्ति एक के बाद इसलिए अभियुक्ति और प्रदीप रघुवंशी के कथन संदेह से परे विश्वसनीय है, इसलिए आरोपीगण मोनू और राजकुमार के DNA प्रोफाइल मैच नहीं होने से अभियुक्ति कथन के विरुद्ध कोई उपधारणा नहीं बनती है, इसलिए उपरोक्त
That is something different. That is something different. What he has said is,
yes sir.
trial court has said that even if negative is DNA profile is negative to two other co-accused persons,
Yes,
no negative presumption can be drawn against them in the light of the oral testimony of the prosecutrix. This
Yes.
is what trial court has said in para 53.
Lordship.
We are now dealing with something different.
Lordship.
We are at the stage of suspension of sentence.
Lordship.
Now you will have to satisfy that
Yes.
prima facie he has been falsely implicated,
Yes, Lordship.
and there was no complicity of this man.
Yes, Lordship. Now, Lordship, as far as the DNA is concerned, that has been taken by Dr. Anil Kumar Singh, Vaigyanik Adhikari. He has not been examined by the.
There is no requirement. आपने 293 सेक्शन पढ़ा है, CRPC का नहीं पढ़ा? नहीं, अभी मत पढ़िए, घर जाके पढ़िएगा, ये तो किताबें घर में पढ़ी जाती हैं। 293 पढ़ा कि नहीं पढ़ा?
नहीं,
आप उसको
लेकिन मैंने
पढ़ लीजिएगा, उसको पढ़ लीजिएगा तो आपको मालूम पड़ जाएगा कि इस FSL एक्सपर्ट को एग्जामिन कराने की कोर्ट में जरूरत नहीं है। ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट आर्ग्यूमेंट बताइए।
Lordship, 2023 Volume 1 SCC page 83, Rahul Chaudhary's case.
दीजिए कॉपी
Lordship.
दीजिएगा। 2023 Volume 1 SCC,
Lordship.
ये दीजिए, किताब दीजिए। नहीं, ऐसा भगाइए मत, जब लिस्ट ऑफ बुक्स नहीं देते तो कोई इतना बताएंगे। बैठे रहो, बैठे रहो। They should give furnished book of list of books beforehand.
Lordship.
हाँ, क्या कहता है ये राहुल?
That Lordship, DNA is only safe for the purposes of investigation. And as far as para 38 is concerned, it says that once DNA has been, once the DNA is, the samples are taken, then in that case, it is necessary. In this case, the doctor was also examined. But it is said, even if the doctor is examined, what was the procedure that was adopted
Yes.
and whether it was foolproof or not, that also has to be seen, Lordship.
Whether any suggestion has been given to the doctor who collected the DNA sample that the sample was polluted? No, Anil Kumar did not collect the sample. Anil Kumar only put it to the test.
Lordship,
The doctor who collected the sample
Lordship.
must have been cross-examined.
No, Lordship, that doctor who has collected, see, in this case, kindly see, Meenakshi is the person who has collected the,
He-
as far as, Lordship,
she
as
is
well as
PW.
medical,
She is PW.
Lordship, PW, she has not been examined. Meenakshi is the late, doctor is Lordship, PW6.
Pardon?
And there is no external or internal injuries as far
We are
as
not
medical
con-
evidence.
We are not concerned with that.
Lordship,
आप कहाँ से कहाँ ले जा रही हैं मुकदमे?
thank you.
No, not in sequence. Now you come to the direct.
Whatever impresses my Lord, Lordship.
Nothing will impress us. That's the whole problem.
Lordship, I am, all right. So, Lordship, this is, इसमें जिसने Meenakshi is the constable who has collected the sample, Lordship, but she has not been examined by the prosecution, Lordship. And
Sample जिसने लिया.
हमारा कहना है कि
आपका क्या कहना है? हाँ.
हमारी लड़ाई हुई थी वो प्रदीप से,
अच्छा.
और इसीलिए we have been falsely implicated.
Okay.
But
But DNA क्या आजकल क्या? There are several modes of transmission. आजकल पानी से या वायु से जो है ट्रांसमिट हो जाता है क्या? कुछ होते हैं ना सीड्स, air dispersal, water dispersal, then some seeds are dispersed through animals. There are different modes. ये तो शायद 7वीं 8वीं में 5वीं में पढ़ा देते हैं. साइंस की जो किताब रहती है उसमें 5वीं में पढ़ाते हैं that how different seeds are dispersed. तो वो डिस्पर्सल का एक चैप्टर ही रहता है कि रुई का पौधा जो है वो वायु से वो हो जाता है, उसका बीज डिस्पर्सल हो जाता है. इस तरीके से अलग अलग पढ़ाते हैं. तो ये कोई साइंस ऐसी डेवलप हुई है कि सीमेन का डिस्पर्सल एयर से या वाटर से हो जाता है.
by keeping all the things together in the Malkhana, what they have done, DNA is collected, the samples are collected on 7/1. The sample are sent on the 11th.
Yes.
And after 11th, Lordship, they have said, I could not gather the,
अब डीएनए रिपोर्ट पे लिखा है सैंपल्स आर इंटैक्ट.
yes.
ठीक है.
तो ये इंटैक्ट थे कि नहीं, वो बोलने के लिए the person has not been examined, Lordship.
आप फिर मैं इसीलिए आपसे कहा था अब किताब लीजिए, सीआरपीसी लीजिए, 293 सेक्शन खोलिए, फिर आगे पढ़ते हैं अपन.
Lordship.
अब क्या हो गया है कि हाईकोर्ट को कोचिंग क्लास भी चलानी पड़ेगी. पढ़िएगा 293.
Yes. Reports of certain government scientific experts. Any document purporting to be a report under the hand of a government scientific expert to whom this section applies upon any manner or thing duly
मैनर नहीं मैटर.
Lordship,
मैनर नहीं है मैटर है.
upon any matter or thing duly submitted to him for examination or analysis and report in the course of any proceeding under this code may be used
हाँ हाँ आगे पढ़िएगा.
as evidence in any inquiry, trial or other proceeding under this code.
आगे पढ़िएगा.
The court may, if it thinks fit, summon and examine such expert as to the subject matter of this report.
फिर आगे पढ़िएगा.
Where any such expert is summoned by a court, he is unable to attend personally. He may, unless the court has expressly directed him to appear personally, depute any responsible officer working with him to attend the court if such officer is conversant with the facts of the case and can satisfactorily dispose in the
Dispose
court.
नहीं, depose.
Sorry, satisfactorily depose.
We will be disposing your case.
No, Lordship. By allowing it, Lordship. Facts of the case and can, I don't know, satisfactorily depose in court on this, on his behalf.
जी, अगला पढ़िए.
This section applies to the following government scientific experts, namely any chemical examiner or assistant chemical examiner to government, the chief controller of explosive, the director of fingerprints bureau.
नहीं, अपन तो ऐसे ही अपना काम तो ऐसे ही खत्म हो गया ना.
Please note, be
Any chemical examiner or
Directly.
assistant
Yes.
chemical examiner to government, and now this report has been given
Yes.
by the assistant chemical examiner.
Yes, he may be used. It may be used.
अच्छा, ठीक है, चलिए और बताइए. Anything else?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, ये जो मैं what I wanted to
ठीक है, CC लेके आओ. जी,
what I wanted to demonstrate, Lordship,
जी.
this is very important. That first they had taken the sample from here to the doctor's place.
Hmm.
Then the date was not matching. During this juncture, they brought back the sample to the doctor and then they took it to the police inspector. He called the doctor that date sahi karke isko वापस भेजिए. I don't know which how this will be exhibited, but this is Rojnam Chasana of 7/1/2017.
बताइए, उसका exhibit बताइएगा.
सर ये मुझे ना पेज नंबर 55 तो चला ना एग्जिबिट मुझे.
चालान में है मैडम,
यस
चालान में.
यस पेज 55.
रोजनामचा साना नंबर बता दें, डेट बता दें.
यस रोजनामचा साना क्रमांक 5/17 दिनांक 7/1/17 50/17 लॉर्डशिप सॉरी रोजनामचा साना 50/17 दिनांक 17/1/17 पेज 64. पचास
Yes,
अच्छा, हाँ बताएं मैडम, पढ़िए. एक साथ
टाइपिंग मिस्टेक भी कुछ नहीं है. सैंपल तो वहीं छोड़ के आए.
सैंपल तो जमा करके.
सिर्फ कवरिंग नोट पर उसने डेट करे.
ये तो अच्छी बात है मैडम, ये तो खुद ही करेक्ट कर सकता था, लेके आया. गड़बड़ है ये.
no what I wanted to demonstrate is that they are moving around with all the things together.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं, पढ़िए उसको ध्यान से.
Yes.
जमा कराया है, रख लिया था उन्होंने.
बजे सूचना 12/1 को आपने माल आर्टिकल ए से ई तक लेकर 13 को FSL सागर पहुंचा. फिर डीएनए कार्यालय में आर्टिकल ए से ई तक ड्राफ्ट दिखाया। आर्टिकल ई में डॉक्टर द्वारा 7 की जगह 1 लिखा हुआ था, इसलिए जमा करने से मना किया। बाद यह जानकारी थाना प्रभारी महोदय को बताया, जिन्होंने डॉक्टर ए के सिंह के डीएनए इंचार्ज
से डीएनए इंचार्ज से
डीएनए इंचार्ज से मोबाइल नंबर पर बात की। बाद उन्होंने ए से डी तक का आर्टिकल सुरक्षार्थ हेतु रखा ताकि खराब ना हो सके। बाद
बस खत्म हो गया मैडम।
नहीं,
शायद
फिर-
वहाँ रख लिया ना उन्होंने
हाँ
मैडम,
रख लिया, प्रिजर्व कर लिया वहां पर।
वापस-
ये भर को नहीं रखा, सिर्फ सब रख लिया।
सिर्फ ड्राफ्ट को भेज दिया, ड्राफ्ट को इसलिए भेज दिया कि उसमें डेट करेक्ट हो जाए। वो चाहता तो वहीं की वहीं डेट करेक्ट कर देता।
this lordship, whether it has been safely kept and the sample was corrected on 7 lordship, they are giving him, they are sending on 17th। 17 से आर्टिकल पर 7 लिखाकर हस्ताक्षर करके 16 सागर पहुंचे। आर्टिकल जमा की, सुरक्षार्थ रखा गया, पावती रसीद प्राप्त की। कोतवाली में 17 को सीहोर आया और थाना कोतवाली में माल जमा किया। बाद रवाना होकर
चलिए, you want order on merits?
Lordship, if my lord will appreciate this.
जी लीजिएगा।
Medical evidence, there is no medical evidence section.
श्रीमती
Merits पे नहीं लूंगी मैं।
Smita Verma, learned counsel for the appeal. This is first bail application for suspension of sentence on behalf of Amit C.S. Golu Yaduvanshi. तो फिर इतनी सारी किताबें काय को दिखा रही है? तो मेरिट पे तो आएंगी ये किताबें।
नहीं,
किताबें लिखा के हम विड्रॉ कर देते हैं। चलिए,
नहीं, ये to impress my lord because the
हाँ तो
medical evidence is nil.
definitely we are required to appreciate it, and then only we can be impressed. Merely passing off a book is not sufficient to be impressed.
So
So it
in
is to
this
be
case-
discussed.
Yes. So in this case, no, not for the purpose of discussion, for the order, for the sake of
That-
orders, to impress that this is a prima facie case
हाँ,
where
ठीक है,
the
वही तो लिखा रहे हैं।
the honorable high court has found that when the medical evidence is not corroborated, the medical evidence of the prosecutor is not corroborated. In such circumstances, she is major 40 years, 35 plus years, having 4 children, moving with Pradeep and PW1, who's giving some other story. PW2 is coming with other story, and it has also come on record that PW2 has written all these things at the behest of PW1. PW1 said I was not present. So besides, since it is a case of 376D, there should be swelling, lordship. If that is missing, in those case, this section is the.
नहीं, you have given the judgment. We'll discuss it. Now here,
मेरे को
आप सुनिएगा।
lordship, this is to impress my lord for the purposes of.
तो
bail only.
how can you
Not
how
for the
can we?
purpose of meeting and going to Supreme Court. Supreme Court कहाँ जाते sir? This is not for the.
ठीक है, ठीक है,
For that
ठीक है,
purpose.
लिखिएगा, सुनिएगा आप, सुनिएगा क्या लिखा?
Sir, lordship,
सुनिएगा प्लीज, अब प्लीज।
lordship,
It is submitted that in terms of the medical evidence, aspect of gang rape is not made out. Full stop. It is submitted that 2 other co-accused persons, Monu and Rajkumar Yaduvanshi alias Lallu, have already been granted benefit of suspension of sentence. Full stop. Case of Amit is at par with that of Rajkumar and Monu. Full stop. Reliance is placed on the judgment of Supreme Court in Rahul versus State of Delhi, Ministry of Home Affairs and another, within bracket 2023, 1 SCC 83, and reading para 38 of the said judgment, it is submitted that merely availability of a DNA report is not sufficient, and the use of DNA report is for the purpose of investigation and not for raising any presumption of identity in a court of law. Full stop. It is submitted that, next paragraph, it is submitted that DNA report is fraught with several shortcomings, and the scientific officer / chemical assistant chemical examiner Anil Kumar Singh was not examined in the court of law. Full stop. There was tampering with the samples and therefore therefore the report exhibits itna
P25.
is not a reliable piece of evidence. Next parent. It is point. Reliance is also placed on the judgment of single bench of this High Court in Sanju alias Sanjay and another versus P22, Exhibit P22. State of MP, wherein it is held that if the allegation is of gang rape, but statement of prosecutrix of FIR and her testimony in court are contradictory, and there was no injury, tenderness or swelling in vagina observed by lady doctor on examination of prosecutrix, then evidence of prosecutrix is not trustworthy. Accordingly, conviction was set aside, relying on judgment of Supreme Court in Devinder Singh and others versus State of Himachal Pradesh, AIR 2003 SC 3365. Next one. In the present case, the first argument that Anil Kumar Singh, assistant chemical examiner, was not examined is having no force in the eyes of law in view of the provisions contained in section 293 of CRPC. Next one. Other two arguments in regard to medical evidence and oral testimony are not made out from record. Full stop. There is no suggestion that there was any adulteration in the sample. Full stop. We have gone through Roj Namcha Sahna number 50 and we do not find that there is any material inconsistency in the sampling or in the handing over preservation of the samples. Next pair. At this stage, Mrs. Smita Verma Arora prays for and is allowed to withdraw her application. Accordingly, IA 7087/23 is dismissed as withdrawn. Next question.
Ultimately, it will be in the 376D, two will be acquitted and only one will be convicted on the basis of the
ठीक है, अगर वन का कन्विक्शन होगा तो भी मिनिमम पनिशमेंट कितनी है 376 में?
तो मिनिमम लॉर्डशिप मिनिमम में 7 साल होगा मुझे।
गैंग रेप डी मिल जाएगा,
चलिए
मिनिमम 10 साल तो है।
चलिए देखेंगे उसको। चलिए नेक्स्ट।
So some liberty may kindly be given.
हाँ, फाइनल सुनाइएगा, फाइनल हियरिंग करिएगा।
सर ऐसे ही सर
चलिए
some kind of liberty may be given.
सॉरी